In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate email text to a different language in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application. And from here, what I'm going to do first is that I'm going to send an email to my other account in a different language. For example, I'll go to my other Outlook account here, click New Mail, then I will send it to my other Outlook account. Then for the subject, I'm just going to put this email as a translation language. Then I'm going to write an example of an email right here. So, for example, here's my example email, and I have written this in Filipino language. So I can send this. Then we should see that in our sent items, then I can go back to my other Outlook account and I should now receive this email. When you receive an email in a different language than English, it will show up right here that says this message is in Filipino. So you can go ahead and click translate to English or never translate from Filipino. If this is a language you understand, you can click never translate right here. But if you want to translate it, you can just click translate to English. Or what you can also do is that you can click the three dots here, then there will be this new translate button here, and then it will just translate the message right away. So if I click on translate, as you can see, it is now translated back into English. And then now it says right here, the button says show original message. So if you want to show the original message, you could see the original Filipino email language here. But if you want to translate it again, just click translate to English. And then from here, it will also change the other button that says turn on automatic translation. You could either turn on automatic translation if you want to receive emails immediately in English, or you can also go right here to File, go to Settings, type in Translation in the search bar, then you can see the translation settings appear. So it's here in Mail and then Message Handling, then you have the translation section appear. So for the settings, you could either always translate or ask me before translating, or have it never translate. And then if you have languages that you understand, you can add languages right here that don't need translation. And that is it. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.